Okay, welcome back to my channel. Good morning to you. Welcome back. I hope all is well with you. So this morning I have something to share with us, but there's a very sad news that I would like to give to you this morning. It is sad, but it doesn't require somebody's life, okay? Ada SAB0TEUR lost her 2 channels last night. You know, okay, people, I believe, because they have been trying all this while to pull her channel down. This is not the first time. She will send the link for people to join her on the, in her program, and some people will just join and begin to play, crazy videos, and those crazy videos will now lead to the channel, being pulling down and all that. So please, I am encouraging you to go on YouTube and search Ada SAB0TEUR official. I'm gonna put the name here for you to see. That's the reason why I'm making this announcement in the beginning of the video, so that people will see it. Because sometimes some of us don't like to watch video to the end. So I have to give you this update as of now. Look at the name on the screen. At Ada SAB0TEUR official, in one word, you will see her channel, a new one. Please follow her there, subscribe, or in the details of this video, I will put the link, so you cannot go straight to the link and subscribe, to her channel. Very, very important. And I want to use the opportunity to announce to you that we'll be hosting Barrister on Thursday. Barrister will be here. So that Thursday and hopefully Friday as well. So keep your eyes on the channel to grab 1 or 2 things that will, of course, will help us, as you already know what Barrister represents. Okay, so that is the news. That is what I want to inform you before we go straight to the video. Now, to make it snappy, I want you to understand something. A few days ago, I talked about I think yesterday, right? But in our live broadcast, I said that I have been checking on Jovica, Keshoso, Ike Gurago, and of course, Udele. It's been a while I checked on Ikenga, to be honest. Maybe I will check on that later. But to be frank with you, I did not check Ikenga. But Keshoso, Udele, and Jovica, they refused to report how other youths, settled with kidnappers, Fulani kidnappers. So only for me to now see this morning that Jovica have already made a video about it, I think yesterday. And that video, we're going to talk about it in the video. And the grandmaster of them all, like the main exposition that brought us here this hour, is this guy called Tobe from Newi. This guy that normally claims that he knows everything, that he's a Dibia. Someone that know him to his own father's house. The person naturally know him very well. Says something about this Tobe, and that is what I also want to share with you this morning. It happened that many of us have heard this news, that during the 1967 thereabouts, during the Nigerian Biafran War, that Ojukwu gave money to one Igbo man to go and buy catapult and gravel. The person ran with that money and did not return. This morning, according to this position, that Tobe's grandfather is the man from Nnewi. That's why they say Ojukwu gave money to his brother. Remember, Ojukwu is from Nnewi, and this guy is from Nnewi. It happened to be that man that ran to abroad with money and never returned with anything at all is this Tobe grandfather. A man who know him to his house, expose him live. So I'm going to play the video for you to hear. Watch this.
Before. I want to say you my video before. Because one night worker, then they came from, they know the history of this influence in Zetobe. My proposal I wrote police. That guy I covered the reason why I hold him inside. na ya ahụ ndị ọdịkọdị ya tinye ya nwere biko gawa ahụ ọ na-etosara ihe onyonyo ka ọ gaa viral ka pepụl fụ onye a ọ bụghị onye nwere na-ezu ohi onye nwere na-agba amasị agbagide mmadụ ibe ya ọjọọ sọpụta mewe onye nwere ị hụrụ ohi dị n'ahụ ọ pụtara na-ezu ohi ele onye ahụ anya jọs na ọ bilitere zuwa ohi na ọ nọ na ohi nọ na agbụrụ ha ana m agwa ya na ohi nọ na agbụrụ ha ga eji agwa m okwu a this very young man nke dadị ya pụtara kọwaa otu nna mụtara nna mụrụ onye a si were kọsụ ọmụ ham during the Biafra war. Watch ihe onyonyo a. Before, as long as your lineage na-enwere evil or hidden mystery behind your lineage, agwa enwere ike ịmụ oke, ngwere enwere ike ịmụ ọchịcha, agwa na-amụ agwọ. Ọ bụrụ na ị watch this video, ị ga-ahụ reason why onye a ji eme ya na o bidoro from ya nwa na o bidoro from nna mụtara nna ya. Yet, in this 21st century, efurefu dịka onye a cannot correct the wrong. ọkpapụta na-asị gị no wonder ọ bụrụ onye ọbụla nwụrụ na at the age of 199 years one ancestors. Enwere ndị ofeke n'ime mmụọ just like this very young man. Nna mụtara nna ya isi a na ofeke because they contributed to the pain of many children who lost their life and the Nigeria genocide. I wonder this man apụta kwuo ihe a. Ị ga na-eme imagine how did this thing happen? Because from the beginning, the guy, no one sense. I am married that no one on it. Ya were the day time. Then, yeah, you put a head away, Maria. Or you get always know the history of people you are living around. Because when I wait a little like this, when I'm people one kind character, then I just there is a manage. Without knowing that I have here, no, Nana. Don't worry. Yenny na Henry, only feeling all my senator, when you send it and keep us. You could yaku, I got Huchi Coco, and a Maracosi winner. What's I hear you? What shows you, my for?
Ejimo hela akọwalụ ụmụ Igbo niile ife na-emenụ na Igbo tụmadụ na Nnewi. O nwere otu nwata nwoke amọ nkosi ahụ anyị eji ọzọ ewere ụmụ ofeke jibe ọzọ ife niile si na ha jiri ọzọ na Nnewi nnake mma na-abụ jiri ọzọ ezigbo ọzọ na Nnewi ndị ọzọ ugonụ ndị na-eme arụ tụmadụ o nwere otu nwata nwoke nwebe osi igwe nke si na-ebo na-ejiri ọzọ mana mebiri mmụmụ ya nwata nwoke ebire mụhụ nya maka na-asị na ife na-esi na agbụrụ aga nwata nwoke a na-ekwu eze ikolo ka ọ na-aza afọ eze ikolo mmụọ owebo na nwata nwoke a na nna ya ochie bụ Mmụọjiekwu onye ụmụ di m na Ojukwu binyere ego Ojukwu Ikemba Nnewi bunyere ego ka o welu degotara ngwa ọgụ ya bụ Mmụọjiekwu wee were ego ụmụ Biafra wee jee na-egoro ụgbọ mmiri n'obodo oyibo ya ka emechakwarụ nwa di ya na ya a na-akpọ eze ikolo si na ejiri ọzọ wee bidokwa ebe ahụ nna ya ochie kwesịrị wee bidokwa ebe ahụ Mmụọjiekwu mmerụ. Anyị were asị igwe Nnewi ọgụnụ kpatarụ o ji abụ afọ ofeke echibe ya ọzọ afọ ofeke echibe ya ọzọ nwata nwoke a na-akpọ eze ikolo akamogheri ka ọ bụ akamogheri ebe ọ na-ekwu okwu gbasara Nnamdi Kanu ebe ọ na-ekwu okwu Nnamdi Kanu na Nnamdi Kanu kwesịrị ka akpọpụta ya n'ezie ife akamogheri ofeke ya nwata nwoke nwebe osi igwe ofeke ka ọ bụ ojighị ọzọ onye arụrụ ana ka ọ bụ ife ọ na-eme ebe arụ ka ọ na-eme na Nnewi wee na-ebute Nnewi afọ ọjọọ ebere m ya na nna ya ochie ewu Mmụọjiekwu onye ọrụ nne Igbo ma onye na-akpọ Mmụọjiekwu ahụ bụ nke ahụ Ojukwu Ikemba Nnewi bunyere ego ka o je gotarịa ngwa ọgụ ka e weluru ụzọ ụmụ Igbo obere ego ha na obodo ewejeri ya ọnwa dị ya na ka ọ bụ so ife si na agbụrụ aga mana ana m asị nya nwata nwoke a na-akpọ Ezikolo ya ndo ife onye mere onwe ya kporo ọhọ kịta ka a na-eme udebe ahụ ụwa asaghị anya Nnamdi Kanu a onweghị onye dụka ya n'ala Igbo o wee n'ụlọ nwa mụ na 1987 nwa nke ụnyaahụ na-enweghị ife ọchị na-enweghị ife ọma o wee sị na Nnamdi Kanu siri egono ụmụ Igbo ọ na mfe na anụ ife aha akụ ebe ọ na-adụ nna ya ochie bụ Mmojekwu ka ebinyere ego na ka Ojukwu bile ego ka o je gota ngwa ọgụ o wee bubere ego na ụrụ obodo iwo gbarawala banko n'okporo ụgbọ mmiri nwa dị ya na-eko ichekwa bidokwa ebe ahụ nna ya ochie kwụsịrị asị m ife ọnụ onye metalụ ya wee isi ekwelu onye Igbo ọbụla sịrị na Nnamdi Kanu sịrị ya onye ahụ bogonu egori ego onwe onye ya dụka Nnamdi Kanu na Igbo onwe onye ya dụka Nnamdi Kanu na Igbo maka nke a ọfọ ndị aka na-egede na-agọrọ Nnamdi Kanu bụ ọfọ ogologo ndụ na ife ahụ ebu n'obi ya n'afọ Chukwu Okike Abịama na ọya emenata na ife anyị na-ekwu ụga ndị Nnewi ndị asị na ha chiri ọzọ ọha ọzọ ka unu chiri nnake mma nna bụ ka e nwere na Nnewi chiri ọzọ ndị sara ile ofeke a na-ejiwe ofeke ọzọ ebere m ọmụmụ Nnewi na ebe ọwụwe na igwe Nnewi ama ama dịka onye na-ekwu eziokwu onye kwesịrị ka atụkwasị obi ana Nnewi niile tụkwasịrị obi na igwe ahụ n'igwe ọha ka ọ bụ ana igwe mmemme doo ndị asị na ha na-eji ọzọ nke Nnewi anya ndị ọzọ ifere na-eme ụnụ ka ahụ ha ifere tụrụ ife n'iche ọzọ na Nnewi onye kwesịrị ka ọnụ ndị ọzọ kpọpụta ya pịa ya ịtarị onye ka ọ bụ na Nnewi mbụ ya bụ Ezikolo otu n'ọbụbụ ụfọdụ ndị isi obi kwadoro ya mana ịhụ ndị Igbo akwadoghị nkwutọ ọ na-ekwutọ Nnamdi Kanu ife okwutere ya n'isi ya amụghị na ofeke ya bịa ọzọ ya dụkwa ọzọ na Nnewi ya gazikwa elu wesị ka Chukwu Okike Abịama onye ọbụla nụrụ onunume a ya tosaa ya na nna ya ochie Mmojekwu na onye lelu ụmụ Biafra na nwa dị a na ya na-agbọ Ezikolo nwa bụ Osigwe bidokwa ebe ọ kwụsịrị maka nke a ya anya ya bụ Ezikolo n'ọnụ nwa bụ Osigwe ahụ nke a ya anya ya n'ọnụ ife okodo ya wee isi obodo wee sị ka Chukwu Okike Abịama ọ na-akwa ifere mmenụ otu esi egbusisi ụmụ Igbo na-atọkọlụ ụmụazị na-egbu so n'ọdị obi mma ọkwa maka akụ nke ụwa maka akpịrị ife nke ụwa ka iji ele akọ na uche gị were ele omenala be na si jiri ọzọ a sị nka Chukwu Okike Abịama na ife abụghị anya na ndị ichedra Nnewi jedukwa nwata nwoke a na-akpọ Ezikolo amakwu mbe mmanụ onye ọ bụ mmanụ onweghị ife ọchị na aka m ogheri ka ọ bụ nwenza tụwa obi ọdụka aka nne nwenza tụwa obi ọdụka aka nne ife emetakwa onye bụ isi ebubero wee sị ka Chukwu Okike Abịama gọzie ụmụ Igbo niile gọzie ụmụ Biafra niile mee ka ụmụaka eji ka a hasịa ha ya gazikwe onye n'onume a ya tụsara ya ibe na nwata nwoke a na-ekwu maka ebu Ezikolo kesi na-ejiri ọzọ otu ihe ọzọ ọ na-aṅụ ọbara ya gazikwenu
ya That is it. That is it. That's now. Okay, talk about the feature. You can hear him loud and clear. Someone that actually know him very, very well. These are the carnival of people that are telling you that Masakan need to be pied, Masakan is this, Masakan is that, and all that, and all that. You heard it all from the man himself, who actually understands the genesis of this man's attitude. Not the nabor, on the sinabor. He could run my foot. In the body what the also. He believe big. Anyway, let's move to Jovika. All right. This video may be too long, but I believe I will try my best to give chance for you to hear. I may not even interrupt him because the purpose of sharing this for you to know the people that are jihadist enablers, pure jihadist enablers. Hear him.
The prophet said it. To tell you how wicked some human beings can be. After watching the video, there's something I want to talk. You know, we always concentrate on, okay, let me not go. Watch the video, listen to the voice note and the video, listen.
This woman you see here and the other person were the two kidnapped victims abducted by Fulani kidnappers in Abia State, demanding 10 million naira ransom. The Ohu youth in the community mobilized themselves and moved into bush where the abductors were holding them in their captivity. As the youth went there, they surrounded the bush in and out. They mounted themselves everywhere in thousands and made sure that there was nowhere anybody can escape. They positioned themselves properly. They captured the kidnappers. Look at one of the victims. He was kidnapped together with the woman. So they rescued these people and apprehended the Fulani terrorists. There was nowhere for them to escape. The youths captured them and released their victims. Look at them going home. You can see, this is what I have been saying. There is no way these people can come to our territory to terrorize us and we will keep quiet. An outsider cannot be bigger than the owner of the land. These people are operating because the communities where they have been unleashing mayhem kept quiet. I give kudos to our youth in Abia State, our whole community. In fact, these people, you deserve commendation. These are the kind of youth we need in Igbo land. These are the kind of youth we need everywhere in Igbo land. Enough is enough. What is happening? They left north where they have been operating and came down to southeast. To do what? They did not ask question. Is it because our region is now cool? They thought that the lion is sleeping. The lion will no longer wake up.
To tell you how wicked human beings.
I want you to observe something while playing the video. The video you are watching is what happened in Abia State. The story is not just the story about story of how Igbo youth in Abia State, mobilize themselves and challenge the kidnappers in Abia State and rescue the kidnapped victim, a woman and a man. Now, this man who refused to react on it, like many of them have done, decided to react on it. He was actually mourning that this one is successful. You see him folding hand like this. Oh, no, don't look. Omona. Why? Because this one, they're exposing their sponsor. And then I want to see how he twisted everything. He started by telling that he wanted to see how evil people can be. Hear him again.
Wicked human beings, some human beings can be. After watching the video, there's something I want to talk.
Under the bush, in and out, they mounted themselves everywhere in thousands. Here and the other person were the two kidnapped victims abducted by Fulani kidnappers in.
As I listen to this, what's his body language? Jovika.
Abia State, demanding 10 million naira ransom. The Ohu youth in the community mobilized themselves and moved into bush where the abductors were holding them in their captivity. As the youth went there, they surrounded the bush in and out. They mounted themselves everywhere in thousands and made sure that there was nowhere anybody can escape. They positioned themselves properly. They captured the kidnappers. Look at one of the victims. He was kidnapped together with the woman. So they rescued these people and apprehended the Fulani terrorists. There was nowhere for them to escape. The youths captured them and released their victims. Look at them going home. You can see, this is what I have been saying. There is no way these people can come to our territory to terrorize us and we will keep quiet. An outsider cannot be bigger than the owner of the land. These people are operating because the communities where they have been unleashing mayhem kept quiet. I give kudos to Ohu youth in Abia State. Ohu community, in fact, these people, you deserve commendation. These are the kind of youth we need in Igbo land. These are the kind of youth we need everywhere in Igbo land. Enough is enough. What is happening? They left north where they have been operating and came down to southeast. To do what? They did not ask question. Is it because our region is now cool? They thought that the lion is sleeping. The lion will no longer wake up. They should have asked people in the past who have been trying to do rubbish in southeast how they face forceful reprisal action. I think other regions should learn from southeast youth. If these people come to your territory to operate, don't give them a chance. If you give them a chance, they will dominate you with insecurity. These people are not the kind of people that are supposed to be given chance. If they try you, give them fire for fire. Fire for fire is what they deserve. And your land will be at peace. I have never seen where they fight these people with petting. If you pet them, you are in trouble. If you are calm to them, you are in big trouble. They will take the leverage to destroy your territory. In fact, kudos to Ohu youth. This is the kind of youth we need in Igbo land. These are the kind of youth we need in Igbo land. You people did a great job. You deserve, in fact, Abia government is supposed to reward you people very well. Kudos to you guys. Kudos to you guys.
I'm happy you guys heard that particular voice note. The voiceover in that video. But I want to make my analysis based on that particular information. We saw the victims, the released victims. We didn't see the Fulanis. How are we sure it was the Fulani that captured them? What authenticity that will give us the right, the belief that was the Fulani or it is the Fulani that captured these people? Because our people are doing more evil than with the Fulani we keep calling. They are doing the devastation over there in the middle belt, in the north, now going to the west. Let me tell you something. I maintain from the Ross's mouth and many people, witnesses, Fulanis are afraid of Igbo. This particular hoodlums, this particular evil, this particular terrorist group, they are afraid of Igbo. That's why them coming to operate here, they will make sure they use an insider to operate because they know that Igbo. They know that it's only Igbo that will buy Igbo.
So you heard him, right? I'm gonna play it again. I'm not gonna go back, but moving forward. The issue here is that this man says something that I want you to note down. Fulanis understand that you have to use Igbo to buy Igbo. Exactly what he's doing. You get the point? Exactly what they are doing. Now, he asked you a question. How sure are we that it's truly Fulani people that kidnap them? What do you think he's trying to reply? He wants to tell you that the Igbo people are covering their brothers. Imagine Igbo people, you risk your life to enter bush to meet people with arm. Then you defeat them and capture them, and you lose. Oh, they are Igbo people, and they kidnap Igbo. And Igbo people will now say, okay, don't feed them because these are our brothers. We are not like that. We are not bigotry. Igbo people. So far, you are even an Igbo man. We make them fast to eat your known. You know, go station. Yeah, that's it. If you though this man is just from Igbo land, I can tell you that. I doubt. Now, from what this man, the elderly man, revealed about Tobe, the man with this one here, that his father happened to be that man in the history that Ojukwu, his grandfather, sorry, happened to be that man in history that Ojukwu gave money to go and buy catapult and gravel. He did not return. But the question is, why will Igbo people allow the family to still exist in Igbo land? You are in war. You gave money to buy something to rescue the nation. The person ran away, and you still allow the land to habit the offspring. I don't understand. I'm not saying you should buy them, but you have to ostracize them. They need to leave Igbo land. The offspring need to leave Igbo land to elsewhere, probably to Jigawa or Kebbi State or Yola. You know what I mean? The same thing with father of this hungry toad, Jovika, who always trying to twist facts. Want to twist it. Hear him again.
He said that for you to kidnap Onyibo and make you get his money, you must use Onyibo to get Onyibo. So they can't operate just like that, the way they're operating in the Middle Belt, North, and all the rest of them. They can't operate that successfully. Except Ndibo is among them, or Ndibo decided to keep quiet for them to operate.
Like, you see, he's even contradicting himself. Remember, this is a very guy who normally tell you that there's no Fulani in Igbo land. Now he now want to see if the people they captured is truly Fulani or not. If you show him that, he will tell you that it's just one. This is the first time. That will be his line of argument. We have history records of people. Every victim always says Fulani. Fulani. This man asking you proof, have not proved to anybody that Mazen Kanu is a terrorist or he buys somebody. No proof, nothing whatsoever. But he's constantly reminding his Oko followers, those that are trusting him though, that Mazen Kanu is this and that. What kind of life is this? Now I want you to let's see if you can do one or two things. I want to see his title, video title. Okay, I don't know how to zoom it so that you can. I would have loved to share that with you. Now, please, if you can look very, very close, you see what he put as title to this particular video that he posted. Let me read that for you. How to deal with Fulani's hoodlums and their Igbo and Igbolani counterparts and Igbolani counterparts. Then when you come to the comment section here, somebody say you are using the same Igbolani language like Ijele speak. Are both of you having the same vision? You see asking. So somebody asked him, when last did you visit your papa house? Somebody said, I would like you to go to Nonsonkwa page and see evidences of what an ordinary vigilante from Njaba is doing. Okay, he has spied at least 7 persons, and if not for these evidences, will not go still attribute it to the ESN, and more people are still coming up with evidences. Like what you said, like wise man, when people are coming up against Tiger Bears, but una agree talk, say una no go agree talk about it. No interrogation, nothing, nothing. They don't do any investigation because they are doing it deliberately. Somebody's called him enemy of progress, foolish person. Comedy Kakwanko. Then that part that I told you before, where he said that is only Igbo people that they must use to buy Igbo people. Some then goes on comment section, replied to him and said, as they are using you to get in the Igbo, you said it all, she put. Do you understand it now? People are beginning to notice keeping records of Jovika. That's why I have to share the comment section. It's nothing, difficult to see. It is playing out. People know it. People understand it. The game which they're actually playing. And I'm going to end it here. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let me know your take. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and support Ada Simon, like I told you. Her two channel was put down by Indomekome. So she's going through a lot about it. If you can support her, just type Ada Simon official. Okay, that will take you to her new channel. So this is the, look at it, Ada Simon official. That is the link. That is the name, and you can subscribe for her. Anyway, thank you so much, and God bless you all. Please don't forget to like the video and let me know what you think about everything we discussed so far this morning. See you again. Bye bye for now. Day one.